Assalamualaikum class. Biyaon, explain na to diha video in last method hapag solve sin quadratic equation. In last method amo na quadratic formula. Buslagon ta rin in value sin discriminant. Okay? So proceed kita. So yari in quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b positive or negative to the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So example kita, in example ta, x squared negative 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. So kita unta muna in mga values in a, b, c, d iha given equation ta. So in values in a ta, understood on siya 1d, amo na yaon. Ubus in values in beta, negative 5 has second term. In values in zeta, amo na last term, which is 4. Okay? So, i-substitute ta lang pa formula yan 2. So, x is equal to negative, amo na, beta is negative 5, positive or negative to the square root of beta, 5, square siya, minus 4 in eta, 1 times 4 zeta. So, all over 2 times a. In eta, 1. Okay? So, negative 5 times negative 5 equals positive 5. Ikapi lang in positive or negative sign yaon. Then, square root of 5 times 5, 25. Negative 4 times 1, negative 4 times 4, negative 16. So, 2 times 1 is 2 ramasi. So, 5, 25 minus 16, 9. So, in square root si 9 is 3. Okay? So, equals 5, positive or negative 3 over 2. So, in x sub 1 ta, usalun ta muna in positive. So, x sub 1 is equal to 5 plus 3 over 2. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. In x sub 1 ta is equal to 4. Okay? Then, sa x sub 2 to guys. X sub 2 ini guys. So, x sub 2, usalun ta na in negative di. So, 5 minus 3 over 2. So, 2 minus 3 is 2. Then, divided by 2 is 1. So, in x sub 2 ta is 1. Okay? So, proceed kita, mari pa, discriminant. In formula ini, na-observe nyo, di ba, b squared negative 4ac, amo na yaon in halawm sin radical sign ini, di ba? So, yaon in formula sin discriminant. So, example, in beta kaina, in value niya is negative 5. So, in eta 1, in zeta 4. I mean, given function kaina. So, 5 times 5, naka-enclose yan sa guys sa halawm sin parenthesis. Halawm sin parenthesis by initial. Negative 5 square. Okay? Kaya mahinang siya positive 25. So, minus negative 4 times 1. Negative 4 times 4, negative 16. So, 25 minus 16 equals 9. So, bang na-observe niyo, amo na sab ini in halawm sin radical sign niya. Ano muna? 9. So, yaon in value sin discriminant. Okay? So, bito lang guys. Hanggang di na muna. See you next meeting.